Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips, and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz number 8, that will help you gain knowledge. Let's see if you answer all correct, then you are a genius. Comment below and let us know how many answers you got it right. Question 1. Which mountain was highest before Mount Everest? And the options are: Option 1, Kangchenjunga. Option 2, Mukalu. Option 3, Lhotse. Or, Option 4, Dhaulagiri. The correct answer is Option 1, Kangchenjunga. Next question. Question 2. Where is Ranthambore Fort located? Here are your options. Option 1, Madhya Pradesh. Option 2, Uttar Pradesh. Option 3, Rajasthan. Or, Option 4, Delhi. And the answer is Option 3, Rajasthan. Next question. Question 3. From the options below, which planet has no moon? And the options are: Option 1, Saturn. Option 2, Mercury. Option 3, Neptune. Or, Option 4, Jupiter. The correct answer is Option 2, Mercury. Next question. Question 4. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? Here are your options. Option 1, Rajasthan. Option 2, Delhi. Option 3, South Africa. Or, Option 4, Porbandar. And the answer is Option 4, Porbandar. Next. Question 5. Who has been honored with UNICEF's Danny K. Humanitarian Award 2019? And the options are: Option 1, Amitabh Bachchan. Option 2, Priyanka Chopra. Option 3, Deepika Padukone. Or, Option 4, Irfan Khan. The correct answer is Option 2, Priyanka Chopra. Next question. Question 6. The lowest area of the atmosphere, extending from the surface of the Earth to an altitude of around 6 to 10 kilometers, is called? Here are your options. Option 1, Troposphere. Option 2, Stratosphere. Option 3, Exosphere. Or, Option 4, Ionosphere. And the answer is Option 1, Troposphere. Next. Question 7. Daniel Craig made his first film debut in? And the options are: Option 1, Obsession. Option 2, I dreamed of Africa. Option 3, a kid, in King Arthur's court. Or, option 4, the power of one. The correct answer is, option 4, the power of one. Next question. Question 8. What force attracts any two objects with mass? Here are your options. Option 1, frictional force. Option 2, gravitational force. Option 3, centrifugal force. Or, option 4, centripetal force. And the answer is, option 2, gravitational force. Next. Question 9. Which bird can fly the highest? And the options are: option 1, common crane. Option 2, bearded vulture. Option 3, Ruppel's griffon vulture. Or, option 4, Hooper swan. The correct answer is, option 3, Ruppel's griffon vulture. Next question. Question 10. What defines a colorless, odorless toxic, flammable gas, formed by incomplete combustion of carbon? Here are your options. Option 1, hydrocarbon. Option 2, carbon monoxide. Option 3, carbon dioxide. Or, option 4, oxocarbon. And the answer is, option 2, carbon monoxide. Next question. Question 11. If you weighed 100 kilograms on Earth, how much will be your weight on the Moon? And the options are: option 1, 16.5 kilogram. Option 2, 50 kilogram. Option 3, 100 kilogram. Or, option 4, 200 kilogram. The correct answer is, option 1, 16.5 kilogram. Next question. Question 12. Which animal has teeth in its stomach? Here are your options. Option 1, lobsters. Option 2, Pachysuchus. Option 3, jellyfish. Or, option 4, cockroaches. And the answer is, option 1, lobsters. Next. Question 13. In Mahabharata, who killed Duryodhana? And the options are: option 1, Yudhisthira. Option 2, Krishna. Option 3, Arjuna. Or, option 4, Bhima. The correct answer is, option 4, Bhima. Next question. Question 14. Which country is the largest producer of cotton as of 2019? Here are your options. Option 1, China. Option 2, United States of America. Option 3, India. Or, Option 4, Brazil. And the answer is, Option 3, India. Next question. Question 15. Which is the biggest cricket stadium in the world as of March 2020? And the options are: Option 1, Melbourne Cricket Ground, Australia. Option 2, Sardar Patel Stadium, Gujarat. Option 3, Eden Gardens, Kolkata. Or, Option 4, Greenfield International Stadium, Trivandrum. The correct answer is Option 2, Sardar Patel Stadium, Gujarat. Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.